Good morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Gnan Manjari Modern School. So in the previous videos we are just going through the chapter, that is chapter number 4, fabric to fiber, fiber to fabric. Okay students, now we have just reached, first of all we have seen the introduction part of it. Okay students, in that we have seen the history of clothing, then after we have seen about the clothing material, and next we have just seen the fiber to fabric, just we have started that, so I am reading it again. Okay students, see here, fibers are thin strands which are twisted together to make a long thread or yarn. Threads are woven or knitted to make fabrics. Fabrics are cut and made into cloths. Cotton, silk and wool are examples of fibers. Fabrics are made using any two of these processes, weaving and knitting. See here, the fabric is further made, the fabric is made into two main processes. The first process is weaving, and the another process is knitting. So first of all we will see the weaving process, that what is weaving process. See here in the next page, on the page number 45, it is given that in the process of weaving, two sets of yarn or thread are arranged together in a pattern to make the cloth. Means two threads or yarns, two threads and yarns are just put together to make the cloth. If you want to see that, then you can search in YouTube weaving process, then you can see that how the cloth is made by weaving process. Okay students, see here, the type of pattern made by two sets of yarn is called weave. See here, first of all, writing that what is weave. So the type of pattern, the type of pattern made by the two sets of yarn is called a weave. Okay students, it is known as weave. See here, it is done using machine called looms. We all have heard about the power looms. In the olden days, the power looms are there. In that, what they do, just they two or three threads or yarns are just their threads put in that, and the cloth is made. Okay students, that is power loom. See, these looms are either run by hands called hand looms or by electricity, in which case they are called power looms. Means the looms which are run from our hands, they are known as hand looms, and the looms which are just run with the electricity is known as power looms. See here, I am writing that so the looms are either run by hand called handloom. Okay, students, are called handlooms, and the looms which run by electricity called power looms. Okay, students, in the weaving process we can see here, first of all, for making what, fiber to fabric, there are two main processes. The first process is weaving and the second process is knitting. So in that, the first process, that is weaving, the type of the pattern made by the two sets of yarn is called a weave. Means when the two sets of yarn, means two threads, combine with each other and weave and made a cloth, that is, this process is known as weaving process. And see here, the looms either run by hand, means the looms which are run by hand are known as handlooms, and what, the looms which run by electricity is known as power looms. Okay, students, it is simple, it can be asked in the MCQ test that the looms which run by hand are known as, then you have to write hand looms, and the looms which run from electricity are known as power looms. Okay, students, now moving towards next. See here, there is an activity given over here. Aim to understand weaving, that what is weaving process. Okay, students, to understand weaving, what is it? See here, material needed, ribbons of two different colors, say yellow and orange, a chart paper and a glue. Method: from each ribbon cut 5 strips of 25 centimeter length each. Place all 5 strips of the yellow ribbon on a chart paper in a parallel roll. Then, using glue, fix one each end of each ribbon on the chart paper. Weave the strips of orange ribbon one at a time each through the yellow ribbon. This is how the sets are woven to make fabric. Try this with different colors. See here, the figure is given that how the weaving is done. Okay, students. See here, our next process is knitting. See here, knitting is a method of making fabric by using a single yarn is in a series or of connected looms by using knitting needles or machines. See here, this is made only with a single yarn. Okay, students. See here, I am writing that of knitting. See here, knitting. What is knitting, students? Let us see that. Okay, students, so knitting is the process. See here, I am writing that So knitting method is a method of making fabric by using a single yarn. Okay, students, the knitting is the method of making fabric using a single yarn, and in weaving there are two yarns are just connected, so they made a cloth. Okay, students, another point, sweaters are made from yarns of wools by process called knitting. Okay, students, the fabrics is stitched to make different kinds of cloth. Thus we can say that a fabric is made from fibers. These fibers may be natural or synthetic. So knitting, we all have seen that some of our old grandmother or any other just make the cloth, sweater, or by the wool. Okay, students, by the wool. That process is known as knitting. Okay, students, that process is known as knitting. See here in the next page. In the next page it is given that the natural and synthetic fibers. What are natural and what are synthetic fibers? But before that, just revise the weaving and the knitting process. Okay, students, let us revise that. So what is the main two processes of what fiber to fabric are, which weaving process and knitting process? See here, in the weaving process, the yarns, two threads or two yarns just combine with each other and made the cloth. And in the knitting is the method of making fabric by using a single yarn. Okay, students, in that weaving two yarns are needed, and in the knitting process only a single yarn is made. Single yarn is used. So next is natural and synthetic fibers. We can broadly categorize fibers into two types. So let us see that about the fibers. So what is fiber? So fibers can be divided into two parts, natural and synthetic. Natural and synthetic. Let us see that, students. Two types of fibers. Natural and synthetic fiber. Okay, students, natural and synthetic fiber. See here, I just say that what is natural and synthetic fiber, and then after we will go to some of the textual points of it. So what is natural fibers? The fibers which we get from plants, animals, or from the nature that are known as natural fibers. And what is synthetic fibers? The fibers which we synthesize in our lab, which is, I can say that man-made fibers are known as synthetic fibers. See here, what is natural fibers? The fibers which are made from the materials which we get from nature are known as natural fibers, and synthetic fibers, the fibers which is man-made, are known as what? Synthetic fibers. Let us see that one by one. Okay, students. See here. First of all, I am reading that fibers that are obtained from natural sources such as plants, animals are called natural fibers. Examples of natural fibers are cotton, jute, wool and silk. See here, I am writing the definition in the board. See here, what is first of all natural fibers? Fibers that are obtained from natural sources such as plants or animals are called natural fibers. Natural fibers. Okay, students, they are called natural fibers. And now we will see the synthetic fiber. What is the synthetic fiber? Let us see that fibers that are made by human beings using chemical substance are called synthetic fibers. Okay, students, and the examples are nylon, rayon, polyester and arsenic. Okay, students, in this chapter we will learn about plant fibers in detail. So, what is plant fibers? Plant fibers are obtained from different parts of plants. Example of plant fibers are cotton, jute, core, hemp, flax and silk cotton. So, in this chapter we will see the plant fiber in detail, which means natural fibers. In that we will see the plant fibers. Okay, students, see here, moving further, the cotton, we will discuss about cotton. See here, in that they have given about the plant fiber, which cotton, jute, core, hemp, flax and silk cotton. Okay, students, In today's lecture, we will see about the cotton. Let us see that. So, first of all, we will see cotton. What is it and how it is obtained? Okay, students, plant fiber in we will see cotton. In India, khadi. We have this listened about the khadi. From whom we have listened? Narendra Modi. Okay, students, he just says to wear khadi, means it is an Indian cloth. Okay, students, it is made in India, khadi. Okay, students, it is told by Mahatma Gandhi also wears only khadi, and Narendra Modi also wears only khadi. A coarse hand woven cloth is made from cotton spun on a chakra. Cotton is used to make shirts, t-shirts, towels, inner garments, bandages and coffee filters. See here, a coarse hand woven cloth is made from cotton's pulp of a chakra. We have seen the Gandhiji's photo. He just moves the chakra and just prepares the khadi, means a cotton cloth. In that the cotton plant is a shrub. The fruit of the cotton plant is called the bole. See students, this can be asked students. I am writing that in the cotton, the fruit of cotton plant is called the bole. Okay, students, the fruit of the cotton plant is called bole. The bole has seeds inside. Cotton fibers grow around the seeds. See here, the picture is given of cotton shrub here 4.7. See here, in that cotton is given and bolls with exposed fibers. In that the cotton, some of the balls are there. See here, when the cotton balls mature, it dries and split open, exposing cotton fibers. The mature cotton balls are harvested. See here, during the process of gleaning, seeds are separated from fibers. See here, the picture is given of gleaning. Okay, students, in that what they do? They just separates the balls from the cotton. Okay, students, see here it is given that, and the clean fibers are then spun using machines to produce cotton yarns. The process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. See here, I am writing, this is also important. The process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning. Okay students, the process of making yarn is called spinning. Yarn is then made into cotton fabrics by weaving or knitting. Okay students, so first of all what they do is, just I am telling in simple words so you can just understand easily that the cotton, first of all when the cotton is produced or it is grown, then after when it is just ready, means the cotton is just ready, and then after the balls are separated from it, by which process, see here there was a figure which is given over there, okay students, and then after when these are separated, then cotton is converted into yarn. How it is converted? The process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning. Okay students, by the spinning process the fibers are converted into cotton yarn. Okay students, in this video we will see up to here only, and in next video we will start from jute and also revise the topics which we have seen in this video. So please note down your homework students. So your today's homework is, so your homework is you have to write what is weaving and knitting process, and read today's topic topic. Okay students, up till then stay safe, stay home. Okay, bye students.